Hi guys! Welcome to the GuideMe tutorials channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through the simple process of installing Google Drive on your Windows computer. Not only that, but I'll also show you how to use multiple Google Drive accounts on the same device seamlessly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped to manage files across different accounts with ease. Let's dive in. To begin, we'll need to download and install Google Drive for desktop. Open your preferred web browser and search for Google Drive for desktop. Look for the official Google website and click on the link to access the download page. On this page, find the button labeled Download for Windows and click it. Once the download is complete, locate the installation file in your Downloads folder and double-click it to run the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions, and within a few moments, Google Drive will be successfully installed on your computer. After installation, you'll notice the Google Drive icon appear in your system tray or taskbar, located in the bottom right corner of your screen. Once Google Drive is installed, it's time to sign into your first account. You'll see an option to sign in with browser. Select it, and a browser window will open, prompting you to log in with your Google credentials. Enter your email address and password, and complete the sign-in process by granting the necessary permissions. Once you're signed in, Google Drive will integrate with File Explorer, appearing as a dedicated drive, such as Drive G or Drive H. This integration makes it incredibly convenient to access your files directly from your computer. Now let's set up a second Google Drive account. To do this, click on the Google Drive icon in the taskbar once again. This time, click on your profile picture or account icon, and select Add another account. A new browser window will open, allowing you to log in with your second Google account. Enter your credentials and complete the sign-in process. Once done, your second Google Drive account will also appear as a separate drive in File Explorer, distinct from the first account. With both accounts added, you can now enjoy the flexibility of managing multiple Google Drive accounts on the same computer. Each account will function independently, and you can upload or access files by navigating to the respective drive in File Explorer. For example, your first account might be labeled as Drive G, while your second account could appear as Drive H. To upload files, simply drag and drop them into the desired drives folder. As a bonus, let me show you how to remove a Google Drive account if needed. Start by clicking on the Google Drive icon in the taskbar. Then, click on the gear icon to open Preferences. Navigate to the Settings tab and locate the account you wish to disconnect. Select the account and click Disconnect. This will stop syncing files from that account, and it will no longer appear in your File Explorer. Removing an account is quick and easy, giving you full control over which accounts are active on your computer. And there you have it! You now know how to install Google Drive on your Windows PC and manage multiple accounts effortlessly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more of my videos for additional tech tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and have a fantastic day!